still you are selecting the range manually, Name Manager will do it better. Let's learn how to do it in Excel. I am having the dataset containing units, price and sales. I am having a shorter data around 30 rows. In case of 30 rows, we can directly use some formula without name manager. But if you are going with thousands of rows of data, if you are doing big data analysis, in such situation, this manual range selection will be a tedious task. So you can give a definite name or customized name for a particular range. That function is available in Excel, that is name manager. Name this content of the units column as units as a name. So I will click on this range. I'll click on this range, that is B2 to B31. I'll click on define name here in the name manager. I will click on define name. In the define name, when you click, by default it will take the previous row. You can see here, by default it will showing previous row title as a row, previous row value as a row title. Even after that, if you directly select entire B column, suppose if you are, it's a futuristic data, if the unit column keep on getting updated in future, you can select entire B column, click on define name, then also it will take the first row value as the name of the range. You can see here refers to B2B and it will name it as units. I'll click OK. Same thing I can continue it for price. I'll click on define name, click OK. It will assign the name as price. I'll click on D, define name. I will assign it as D. If I want to calculate total sales, instead of typing sum and range, instead of selecting the range, I can directly type sales. Can directly type sales. I'll click enter. You can see I'm getting the value 4,39,140. If you want to calculate total sales after selecting the range, you can just go with equal to sum option. When you open the parenthesis, if you just type the name of the range, whatever you want, I want total sales. I want sales range. I will type sales. You can see the moment I type yes, the sales is visible with this table icon. That means it is a defined range, or you can say the name manager. I will click on this sales, or just type sales here. I will click on tab to select that particular a suggestion from that suggestion box. Click enter, you can see it will calculate the total sales. I need not select D2 to D31 or D2 to D5000 in future as well. If you want to calculate average sales, the formula will be average of, again I need not select the range. I will just type, so I will just, instead of typing the range, I will just select this name sales, hit tab button, I will hit enter and get the average sales value. If you like this content, then do share this video, subscribe my YouTube channel AD Analytics. Let's learn, let's grow together.